a Ninja Kidz ball. Let's go home and unbox it. Hi guys, we just got back from Target and I can't wait. I'm so excited to share with you to open this Ninja ball. I'm so excited! We can use the Ninja ball as a chair. So we just came back from Target and we got this. I'm so excited to open.
Oh wow, so cool. Superhero Peyton.
That's so cool. I'm gonna open this one out. I got stickers. Can you help me? Looking for the end. God. Guys, look what I got.
Whoa, nunchucks.
Look at this. Oh my God, the spinners. Look guys. I got a sword. Oh, look at this guys. We got a spinner and it has all of them in the back. I would share with a spinner. I want to be like Peyton when I grow up. Guys, me and my sister are playing Ninja Kidz toys. We love the ones we got. Guys, look at this mouth. So funny. Me and my sister are laughing at it. Guys, look at this. Look at this. This is like big.